Hello and Happy New Year. My name is Mandy Meddock and I'm here to present the 2019 Workforce Planning. I'd like to welcome everyone tuning in today. We are optimizing workforce planning to reach our goal of $1 billion in revenue. We will achieve this through 5 key drivers: employee headcount, sales quotas, gross revenue, and total compensation. Currently, we have 1,000 account executives, 310 account executive 1s, 347 account executive 2s, and 343 account executive 3s. We will increase headcount by 17%, 1,200 team members divided evenly among the 3 account executive positions. Side note, currently our 1,000 employees close 20,000 accounts, and with the new increase, that will go up to 30,000 accounts. We will also increase employee sales quotas as well. Account Executive 1 from $500,000 to $600,000, an increase of 17%. Account Executive 2 from $600,000 to $700,000, an increase of 14%. And Account Executive 3 from $750,000 to $800,000, an increase of 6%. We will also increase total compensation to almost $251 million, a 32% increase from our current total compensation numbers, which are just over $169 million. We will also increase gross revenue from just shy of $700 million to $1.1 billion, an increase of 37%, hitting our goal of $1 billion. As a result of all of our new implementations, net revenue will increase from about $530 million to $865 million, an increase of 39%. In summary, my recommendations to achieve these goals would be to increase employee headcount to 1,200 account executives, to increase employee sales quotas between 6 and 17%, depending on the job title, to increase total compensation by 32%, to increase gross revenue from $700 million to $1.1 billion, and finally, increasing net revenue by 39%, $865 million. With these projected changes, the company is in line of continuing its amazing growth and success. It's all thanks to our amazing team members who are out there every day, bringing our company to the forefront and as an industry leader. Thank you all very much for your time today.